Coach, second win in as many games. Must be pleased with how the team performed today.
Yes, definitely. I think you can see the anxiety, early in the first half. We start high, but of course, naturally, the sun always gonna take you down a little because of the humidity and the heat of it. This really did well today. But sure we can do much better than how we play today. But we're happy for the win.
Coach, with every victory, there are still areas in the game that you can work upon. What were some of the areas that you were most pleased about with how the team performed?
Our attacking force was really good. We had really attacked well. Get ball across the goal and so forth. But the goalkeeper makes some save. Yes, we scored 2. Could have scored at least another 3. But such is the game. So we continue to still work on scoring chances. Get our chances and put them away. But always a work in progress. And this team is always going to improve as we go along.
Thanks.
You're welcome, brother. Yes, man.